Been too cold to work on tractors. Even in my garage, it's so cold that, a bottle of liquid in there is frozen right now. This morning it was 6 degrees. Yesterday the high was only 15. Has some pretty bad wind chills. It's important to have the right gear to wear outside when it's cold. So let's take a look at fixing this jacket. All right guys, so I got this Carhartt jacket here. I've had it a really long time, and maybe over 20 years, and the zipper broke on it last winter. And let me show you. So what happened is the top like snapped off. See this piece here was snapped off of this zipper. So I put a paper clip in there and grab that and pull it up, but it catches on everything. It's so annoying. So I bought a zipper on eBay. I'm going to try to fix it. Check it out. So again, like you see the top of the zipper here where this piece would go on there. Just from pulling on it, it must flex a little every time you pull on it, and it snapped off the whole top. So I got this zipper here on eBay. It was a couple bucks. But what they said is that on the back of the zipper there's a code. And you can see on there it says YKKU10. And I was able to search YKKU10 on eBay. I was able to come up with this zipper. So I watched some other videos on it. It didn't look too complicated, but basically up here on the top there's this stop, and you bend that out of the way and pull it off, and then you can take the zipper right off the track. So I just got this little screwdriver, and I'm just going to put it in there and give it a little pry and see if we can take it apart. All right, so I spread it a little bit with the screwdriver, and bam, came right off. So let me see if I can pull this zipper off the track like they claim you can. Let's see. Kind of tough to do this one-handed. Let's see. Yep. That's it, man. Come right off the top there. Cool. She's out. So, let me get the new one and put it on. All right, so the new zipper looks just like the old one. And all I've got to do is just slide it over this little fabric area and get it onto the zipper and slide it down. All right, I got it on there. And it slides down real nice. So all I got to do is squeeze that brass tab back on the top here, and I should be good. All right, so it's on there. And again, it's hard to do this one-handed. Let's see. Yep, it works perfect. Awesome. I think that zipper cost it was like $3.99. And you can also buy a whole track here that has the fabric that you'd have to sew in, I guess, That's a little beyond my pay grade, but yeah, the zipper worked perfect. So if you got a broken Carhartt zipper, don't be scared, because it was a simple fix for a couple bucks.